with a thumbnail. I have to poop. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today's video is another one with really bad lighting. What else is new? So today's video is day 2 of our spooky sessions week, and today we are going to be baking some ghost cookies. Not sponsored, yay. These are all over everywhere. These have been around for so long, but these are the ghost ones of the Pillsbury, not sponsored, sugar cookie brand, whatever the heck. And I didn't know that this was safe to eat raw, by the way. Not saying you should eat raw cookie dough, but if it's safe to eat, do what you want with that information. So the oven is preheating, and this makes about 20, but I don't think my cookie sheet's gonna fit all 20, so we'll break it up. But while we're making cookies, let's have a conversation. All right, so I just consulted with my supervisor, and while we're making these cookies, because it's not like the Christmas cookies where you saw the ingredients, you saw everything go together. It's literally all here. And I'm like, just doing cookies like this is so boring. Let's do a Halloween tag. If you were on my channel like years ago, you would know that I did a Halloween tag with this one girl, and I deleted that video. I'm no longer friends with that person. So we're gonna do a new one. We're gonna do a 2021 version of the Halloween tag. So, and because this is probably gonna take a while, I think I am gonna do all 30 questions. I will link the questions down below in the description, but it's called 30 Spooky Halloween Tag Questions. So while we're waiting for the oven to preheat, let's go through the first few questions. So number 1, favorite horror or Halloween themed song? One of my go-to favorite Halloween songs ever is This Is Halloween from Nightmare Before Christmas. I think it captures Halloween very well, and one of my sisters literally said that it was like one of the best openings for a movie, and I agree. So This Is Halloween from Nightmare Before Christmas would be my favorite. Number 2, name something you wouldn't want to run into in a dark forest or in an abandoned building. Another person with motive. That's something I would not want to run into. I would not want to run into another person who's got some negative intentions, if you know what I mean. Number 3, have you ever played with a Ouija board? No, I have not. And I will not. Y'all can do what you want. I'm not playing with a Ouija board. Thank you, but no thank you. Number 4, favorite horror monster or villain? Well, this is hard. I really like Ghostface from the Scream movies. I love Chucky. I love Leatherface from Texas Chainsaw. I think those would be my top 3. Ghostface, Leatherface, and Chucky. Number 5, the creepiest thing that's ever happened while you were alone. Paranormal Activity. Hello? My house is literally haunted. I have ghosts with me all the time. Hello? Paranormal Activity. Number 6, if you were dared to spend the night in a haunted house, would you do it? It depends on how haunted it is and what kind of spirits are residing there. Because if it's like negatively haunted, no, I would not, because I don't need that negativity. If it's just random spirits just hanging out, not causing any harm, sure, why not? It's fine. Number 7, are you superstitious? Kind of. I won't walk under ladders, A, for safety purposes, and B, because it's bad luck. I always try to vibrate high on any Friday the 13th, because, you know, we want to attract positivity. I If I spill salt, I will throw it over my shoulder just in case the devil's right there. I won't open an umbrella inside just because that's just ridiculous. So we're gonna stop there for 1 second. I'm gonna put these in the oven and I'll be right back. Super quick before we continue, this is what we're working with. Not all of them fit, which is okay, but we're about to pop these into the oven and let's continue with our Halloween tag. Number 8, do you ever see figures in your peripheral vision? Again, my house is haunted. Yes, I do. I feel like I'm not straight. Hold on. I mean, I'm not, but... Number 9, which urban legend scares you the most? I don't know. I'm trying to think of like urban legends off the top of my head and I can't right now. Number 10, do you prefer gore or thrillers? Ooh, thrillers, I think. I do like gore, do not get me wrong, I do like gore. But thrillers I can watch while I'm eating, no problem. Gore, it sometimes is hard to watch while I'm eating. Number 11, do you believe in multiple dimensions or worlds? Yes, I do. The fuck? Yes, I do. I do. I mean, I believe in spirits. I believe in ghosts. If you've been on my channel, you know I have a whole spooky playlist. I do believe that there is, you know, another side and, you know, a paranormal dimension and stuff. Number 12, ever made a potion of any sort? No, I have not. I have only ever just made ice cream soup. Number 13, do you get scared easily? It depends. Scary movies do not scare me, but like people scare me. 14, have you ever played Bloody Mary? Yes, as a kid, but nothing happened. 15, do you believe in demons and the devil? I do believe in demons because if there's good, there is bad. If there's light, there is darkness. If you believe in that stuff, you know, they have to balance each other out. So yes, I do. I mean, if there's bad people. Number 16, you're home alone, but you hear footsteps in your house. What do you do? Check to see if it's a ghost, because if it's a ghost, then that's different. If it's another person, I just, you know, let Benny out. Number 17, if you got trapped in one scary movie, which would you choose? If I were trapped in one scary movie, well, it doesn't say whether you survive or not, so I'm gonna say I would choose Scream. And I say Scream because it's basically just, there's 4 Scream movies and the second, third, and fourth just repeat the first one. So the killers are literally following the same pattern. It'll be easy to outsmart Ghostface unless they switch up the pattern. 18, if you could only wear one Halloween costume for the rest of your life, what would it be? What would I be? Okay, a purge person. Only because there's so many variations of that I could like switch it up every year so it wouldn't be exactly the same. And plus, like, I could like dress for the weather also. Number 19, would you ever go into a graveyard at night? Yes, I would. I feel like cemeteries aren't as haunted as they seem to be unless they're like listed as haunted cemeteries. I feel like you get paranormal activity when you go with the intention of getting paranormal activity, whether it's, you know, a good experience, a bad experience. It's whatever your intention is. Number 20, in a zombie apocalypse, what is your weapon of choice? I think I would want, honestly, probably a Lucille, to be honest with you, because although I would not want to get like in super close range, I think that's better than having to be quiet and using a gun. So I think a Lucille would be in order for that. And if you don't know what that is, that's literally just a bat with barbed wire. Number 21, would you rather go to a Halloween party or go trick-or-treating? Personally, I'd rather go to a Halloween party because it's warmer. And I can get cuter pictures, if we're being honest. Number 22, you're in a horror movie. Are you the final girl, the first to die, the comic relief, the skeptic, the smart one, or the killer? I am going to be the comic relief. I'm definitely the comic relief. because I'm just a clown. So, number 23. Do you have to watch something happy after watching a horror movie so you can go to sleep? Nope. Very rarely do I have to do that. I can watch a horror movie and then just go right to sleep. I don't know, because I listen to like, I'll sometimes listen to like positive like mantra music. I don't know if that would count though, because I'm not like watching it. I'm kind of just playing it as I sleep. Number 24. Whilst watching a scary movie, are you the person who yells at the characters, the person with their eyes covered the whole time, or the person who falls asleep? I'm the person who yells at characters. I am a talker during movies, especially when I've seen it multiple times. Number 25. Are you the one who gets scared or the one who does the scaring? I'm the one. It really depends. In my house, I'm the one who does the scaring, but outside of my house, I'm the one who's scared. Number 26. Favorite scary book? I don't really read scary books, to be honest, so I cannot answer that one. Number 27. How old were you when you saw your first horror movie? I don't remember. I don't know. I've suppressed a lot of that. Number 28. What was your first Halloween costume? I'm pretty sure I was a pumpkin. I feel like a lot of 1-year-olds for their first, or not even 1-year-olds, a lot of babies for their first Halloween, they're like little pumpkins. So I was a pumpkin, I'm pretty sure. Number 29. What are you going to be for Halloween this year? My sister's turning 21 and she's in a sorority at her school. And what they do is they throw shot nights for the person's 21st birthday. So I am going to her shot night and I'm going dressed as a dad. Don't know how that's going to go. You can follow me on Instagram for that. Listen down below like always. But I don't know if I'm doing any Halloween parties this year or anything like that. But I have no idea what I'm doing other than being a dad because I won't like repeat costumes. So if I'm going to her shot night as one thing, I will not recycle it for another thing this year. You know? So I'm going to her shot night as a dad. I don't know what I'm doing other than that. The last one, number 30. If you could have a spooky Halloween pet, what would you pick? I'd just pick a black cat. Let's add to the 7 cats we already have. Okay, that is it for all of the tag questions. Like I said, they will be linked down below in the description. And let's check on these cookies. So these cookies are finished. And this is what they look like. Yay! So, yeah, I'm going to put the last of them in, cook them up, and that's it. Which means that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Become a banana today. Join the banana bunch. Join the family. We would love to have you. If you want to know what I'm going to be up to, all my social media will be listed down below like always. And I will see you in the next one. Bye! Wah, 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 wah. 12 minutes. Number... A black cat. Becca, should I get another cat?
No.
Why not? It'll be a black cat.
No.
Oh.